Taylor's Tools video channel. Today we're going to talk about, I'd also encourage you to join our LPG landscape paving group on Facebook. If you like the channel and you want to learn more about the products we offer at Taylor's Tools, why not hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to explore our CLFM diamond core drill bits for cutting holes in porcelain and harder materials. These diamond core drill bits are specially made for us, and they're made in Europe, and they're extremely high quality. They're extremely well priced and will compare with any others on the market. We have a wide range of sizes from 5mm all the way up to 100mm. These core drill bits will be used for making holes where you're fitting lights or cables through or pipes, and will make simple and easy work of that process. So if you find these tips on our video helpful, join our Facebook group or subscribe when you hit the button. So, simple water bottle, mist, simple lightweight cordless drill. You mark where you're going to go with the hole and you simply just spray. Then you hold the drill on an angle. And what you do then is you oscillate the drill till you've completed the full circumference of the actual core bit. And when you've got all the way around, you can then do the oscillations. And there you are, you're through.